Njoba ningibona nje ngibuya kwi-meeting neziphathimandla zelakho. La bengiyoyitshela khona ukuthi uyabona singomakhanya. Inhlamba nokuthukana sesakuyeka. Siyekile inhlamba, sikiyekile ukuthukana. Futhi iziphathimandla zezwe ezinjengesilo kanye noShembe sayeka ukubathuka. Bengayitshela iziphathimandla zelakho ukuthi mina sangayiyeka complete inhlamba. Kodwa amalebe ngeke ngikwazi ukwabekezelela. Imsunu namagolo ngeke ngikwazi ukwabekezelela. So uma ngabe ikhona imsunyana namagolwana akhona aqashile la kwilakho njoba sekufike thina ke singomakhanya lezo nhlunyana lezo kumele zisuke iphume iphele ngoba akuyona indawo yecorruption le, akuyona indawo yokunukisa ihlama namasemba le. Ngizonisebenzela ngenkani zinja, ngizonisebenzela nithanda ningathandi. Mina ngumfoka amakhanya kanye nelakho sizonisebenzela noze ninuka isihlama sinisebenzela. Emsebenzini nina ningasebenzi, nina nidla imbuya ngothi, sizonifaka ngenkani emakhampanini nisebenze. Niyezwa bo driver, nani ma security, nani ngisho othisha, ngisho odokotela abahlela abangasebenzi. Abaqualifier sizobafaka by force. Ileyo nto kade siyixoxa neziphathimandla ukuthi sizosebenza by force. Uyabona mangabe khona abantu abazolinga mhlawumbe ukumelana nathi silakho. Uma ngabe khona nje abazozama ukuthi bamelane nathi noma ingayiphi indlela. Kumele bazo ukuthi imsunyoni nizulelwa amanqa. Mina ngisayithuka inhlamba kodwa lokho engikwenza njengamanje ngiyavalelisa enhlambeni, ngiyavalelisa ngithi bye bye, ngiyibeka phansi induku zenhlamba. Angisayithuka inhlamba. Mina sengiphethe kahle, ngumzalwane, ngiyasonta, ngumsunu nje. Uyabo? Kodwa ngifuna ukunitshela ukuthi sizosebenza nelakho. Niyathanda nithandi nina ama South African nizongene inkampanini nizosebenza zinja. Nizoyeka ukudla imbuya ngothi ikati lolala eziko sizolisusa ikati eziko. Nina nizosebenza nina. Ikuta nizoyidriver nina niyodeliver. Isema trucking nizongena nina niyosebenza niyodriver ama truck. Isema farming nizongena nina niyoba ama general worker khona lapha sikhiphi kwere sifake nina. Besikulo meeting ike namhlanje na eyokuzocaciselana ukuthi siyasebenza noma sinwayihlama. Kwacaca ukuthi asinazi ihlama zokunwaywa, siyasebenza. Sizosebenza ke. Ema-hostel asiyeza, ema-hostel awunandawo ezothiwe IFP amasimba yona le. Sizongena ema-hostel siyolanda insizwa ezilala ngaphansi kwembhede lapha engasebenzi ezimbambile. Sizongena siyoyivundulula lezo insizwa, siyoyifaka emafemini ziyosebenza nazo ixosha ikati eziko, zibeka isinkwa ematafuleni oyise. Kuzosetshenzwa indaba yokudlala. Akukho la ngeke singene khona. Zonke insizwa wethu zosebenza, hayi indaba yokudlala. Intokazi ezethu, osisibethu sizosebenza bafowethu. Kodwa mandakwa nizonya. Kade
bona ubhuti lona. Ngiyambona umfana wethu lona. Owala ithwathwa lo mntwana. Ekugcineni ngelinye ilanga thina sizomshaya umphakathi walana simbulale. Kuzoyenzeka ngene emzini wabantu atshontshe something. Uyofa ezandleni zabo mama bakhe omalume bakhe umphakathi wakhe ngenxa yesimo asafike kuso. Ngalelo langa ngesisambone njengomntana wethu, sizombona njengesigebengu esebaye emphakathini wethu, ende thina sithulile sibhekile laba bantwana bethu bayaphela zidakamizwa. Phakathi wakithi, we need to put an end to drugs. We need to put an end to these people who are selling drugs in our communities. Bega ukuthi, what are they doing to our future? Let me tell you, these children are not nyahupe. Laba bantwana bethu in whom they are destroying ikusasa labo so that tina we have nothing tomorrow. I say the government of South Africa must take them and put them ebusojeni or in the police training bahlale khona for 3 years and come back serve South Africa. Utune metric. The state has resources. The state can train him to become better and bring him in service of the country. Guys, we need a government who look at our children and feel the pain.
Dear West Africans, you guys are a problem everywhere. West Africans, especially Nigerians, you guys are a problem everywhere you go. You guys are a nuisance, you are a problem everywhere you go. Not all of you, but it is always a Nigerian. Is there a country on planet Earth that has never complained about Nigerians? The reason why Nigerians have such a bad reputation, it is not because you guys are ethnically Nigerian. It is not because you're Yorubas or you're Igbos, or it's not because of your ethnicity. It is because of the things that you guys do when you go to these other countries. It is always a Nigerian that is prostituting, selling powder, hijacking buildings in other countries. Not all Nigerians, but it is always a Nigerian. You guys don't have self-discipline. You guys don't have self-discipline, West Africans, especially Nigerians. When people say that, when we say that we don't want Nigerians in our country, it's not because we hate you because you're Nigerians, because you're ethnically Nigerian. It's because of the things that you do, the decisions that you take and you execute in other countries. The disrespect, how you disrespect our laws, our regulations, and our people. Not so long ago in Nigeria, there was a case of children being unalived. Terrible things being done to children. And instead of you guys fighting that, demanding justice, demanding that your government fights that, you are condemning us. You are too focused on us for kicking illegal Nigerians out of our countries, for standing up for our countries, for standing up for our people. You're gonna call us names. You're gonna fight us instead of fighting the people, the monsters and Nigerians that are unaliving Christians, that are unaliving children. You're gonna focus on us. You guys are such nuisances. Not all Nigerians, but it is always a Nigerian, especially the men, especially the men. I don't care if you guys drag me on the internet for this. It is the truth. They are kicking you out of Europe. They are kicking you out of the Americas because of the things that you guys are doing. So many countries all around the world do not allow Nigerians into their borders, into their countries. Why? It is because of the things that you do, Nigerians. It is because of the things that you do. Not because of the fact that you're black. Not because of your ethnic features or because of your Yorubas and Igbos. Because of the things that you do. You guys don't have self-discipline. You don't have self-discipline. You don't know how to respect different places that you go to. You always want to dominate. You always want to dominate. And then you're going to call us xenophobic for protecting our people, for protecting ourselves, for protecting our countries and demanding that you go. Have some discipline, Nigerians. Not every country that you go to is Nigeria. There's only one place in this earth that is Nigeria. The rest, it's not Nigerian. It's not Nigeria. Have some respect. Then maybe people will start to allow you in their country. Then maybe people will start to like you, because the reason why you're not liked all over the world is because of the things that you do. And I'm so sick and tired of your nonsense. I don't care if you drag my face all over this internet and call me xenophobic and call me Afrophobic and call me, oh, she hates Nigerians. I hate stupid behavior. Nigeria will never have a good reputation unless Nigerians stop this nonsense that they love to do whenever they go to other countries. Nigeria will never become a better country unless you guys stay in Nigeria and you fight to save your reputation. Fight for your country. Instead of constantly jumping borders and running to other countries, fight and stay in your countries. Have some discipline. Respect the country that you migrate to. Honestly, I don't think that there's a country in the world that has a good perception of Nigeria because of the things that you guys do when you go to other countries. Have some self-discipline, Nigerians. This message, it's not all Nigerians, but it is always a Nigerian. That's the problem. It is always a West African. That's the problem. Think about what I'm saying, and I'll be quick to be offended.